Vile vile mtaangalia ulinzi inabadilika kwa sababu sasa anakuwa mtu mkubwa sana. Asanti sana. Vile vile napenda kwa heshima kabisa nimkaribishe. Unajua mnamtambua tu kama tuwe tayari kabisa kumkaribisha Mheshimiwa Gavana. County Secretary, tafadhali shuka chini. Tupe hiyo ngoma tafadhali ya kumkaribisha gavana wetu wa Kisii. Karibu Excellency. Karibu Excellency. Bakungu ngai mwacha, basacha ngai mwacha. Aratia muka ngumbu, keneti kedirote. Sasa tie kuna kuga basacha baitu ngai mwacha. Hecho. Karibu sana Your Excellency. Gavana wetu. Wakili gavana wa Kisii. Tupe sauti kabisa hiyo ya ngoma. Asante sana. Asante Your Excellency the Governor Kisii County, kwa ruhusa yako nikubalie niwaombe ndugu wote ambao wamefika hivi leo tusimame kwa heshima, tutoe kofia sio rasmi, tuweze kupata wimbo wa taifa na wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika.
Allow me to ask our judge now and our DG designate to come over so that she can preside over the swearing-in ceremony.
Ceremony of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, pursuant to the date notice number 9066 dated 19th July 2024, in fulfillment of the requirement of Article 74 of the Constitution, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office of Deputy Governor. And now call upon my lady to take her position on the podium. For the purposes of taking the oath, I also call upon with your right hand and hold the Constitution. Just hold it, just hold it on, yeah. Then you will repeat the oath after me. You say I and say your name, and then read the oath as it is written in front of you.
I, Elijah Obebo, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and so help me God.
So we shall proceed to have the oath signed. You have to
Asanteni sana. Your Excellency, tunaweza kuketi.
Karibuni sana. Asanteni, karibu sana. Welcome, most welcome.
Jambo. Jambo Naindi. Your Excellency, the Governor, Paul Simbarati, the Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Dr. Philip Machukinyanumba, Honorable members of the County Assembly, distinguished Honorable members of the Judiciary, the learned judges, County Secretary, County Executive Committee members, Chief Officers, members of the County Public Service Board, directors of departments and county officials, and all protocols observed. I wish to say, ladies and gentlemen, such appointment as the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. Your Excellency, let me begin by thanking the Almighty God for making this day possible. I give God all the glory for allowing me to attain this milestone. Your Excellency, I further thank you for finding me suitable to be your principal assistant and a confidant. As a gesture of this confidence you have shown in me, Your Excellency, I promise and undertake to be your loyal lieutenant. Your Excellency, I thank my family, with me, Margaret, and our children who have been great pillars in my steadfast life up to this point in time. From the humble beginnings, Your Excellency, at Masongo, Punyamasito village, all through the national government, and now to be your loyal deputy. This is a testament that any child born of a woman can become anything with hard work, integrity, and resilience. Your Excellency, I reiterate my commitment, dedication, and goodwill to deliver on your manifesto and vision for a great Kisii County. Your Excellency, I particularly resonate very well with your stance on zero tolerance to corruption and the prudent use of public resources. This is the promise of freedom that Abagusi have been longing for. Your Excellency, my term of office effectively ends my short stint and exciting time as chairperson, Kisii County Public Service Board. In this short time, we have achieved much under your stewardship. We can certainly ride on this goodwill to deliver more for our people. To those who are naysayers, Your Excellency, let them take notice that your government shall deliver, and precisely so. As Martin Luther King once said, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. Therefore, let us respect and do that which is right. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I solicit the support, cooperation, and understanding of all. I am persuaded that as a team, Your Excellency, we will get the job done under your leadership. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you immensely for finding time to grace this occasion despite your busy schedules. Your Excellency, I pledge to be your car guide. C standing for careful, A for being available, and I for being reliable. God bless the great people of Kisii. Simbano Simba, Simbano Simba. Your Excellency, nimeambiwa kwamba we do not have time because the honorable judges would want to leave shortly for other assignments. Abantu bami tole rendi yamono na rendi yamono kidima. Igon kodi ira aso kusibwe sai no kusibwino na nikore ayara maya nikore ayara kene na nikore without fear or favor. Mbwato wa we are all together. Your Excellency, because the honorable guests are about to leave, allow me to recognize the leader of majority present, Honorable Muracha, the Honorable Speaker of the County Assembly, Dr. Nyanunga, Honorable Ministers, and Your Excellency, allow me to more or less bid farewell to my colleagues and the Kisii County Public Service Board, wherever they are, please accept my salams, that we shall miss each other, but we shall be together. Your Excellency, my long-time friend and my brother is here, Honorable Judge. Justice Yachai is present with us. Your Excellency and my kid brother, Eki Agi, and Momani is around. Your Excellency, my dear wife Margaret, many of you have not seen her. Two of my sons are around. Your Excellency, they were here. They traveled yesterday back to Uganda, or Nairobi, and back as you were. Bob and my sister, they are there. Thank you for coming. I have two grandkids, I'm a young man. They are there. My namesake Claire and my mother Paige, there they are. Your Excellency, not much ado. I know I could have said much to welcome and appreciate everybody else, but because of time, Your Excellency, allow me to humbly, and for the first time, as Deputy Governor, to humbly invite you to come forward and address your people.
Good morning. Good morning. Kisii hoye. Lots of words that are more important this morning to appreciate and thank the judiciary led by Justice for the three judges who are here, but the two came to do what they were sent, and one was joining us. His Lordship, Justice Yachai, who is the son of the soil, with your colleagues who are here, Mr. Speaker, dear, nilikuona ukiwa na uniambia kitu nitasema baadaye. Nilikuona. County Anthony, the MCAs, I want to take this opportunity to thank you. And first and foremost, you know, it has been a long journey since the former DG left office, and many say many things. Up to yesterday, I wanted to confirm that I traveled from Nairobi this morning to come and witness this event. I want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya because he intervened yesterday when some people, they had eaten the Gazette notice only to Gazette a date and a venue. The President, I think, intervened yesterday, then the Gazette notice came out yesterday. This morning, we had to make sure serving as a deputy governor. There are only two important things. Say no to corruption, be faithful to the cause. That's my own request. Now that you've been the chairman, you were the chairman of the service board, and indeed I've not received any claim of you to have solicited even a penny. See, Mama, your wife, Mama, please, I know you have been an employee of the county before. Feed this gentleman. Don't drive him crazy into issues of the public money, all individuals' money. Be satisfied with the little that we will be making as our salaries and other things that we are doing. That is my humble request, that it's you to make him stay in the office for the 10 years that we'll be in office. The judiciary is here. I know you are witnesses. We want to confirm to you that we're going to be faithful to the cause, knowing that if we mess up, we'll definitely end up in the courtroom and it will send us into jail. We are very cautious on how we're going to manage the public affairs. Allow me, because I've seen one gentleman here, just to Ruben Monda. This is the brother, the former DG, I'm happy that you have shown a lot. And actually, they are here. The brothers and thank you, guys, and I'm happy that you're not drinking from the cup of bitterness. You are here, ready to witness the new deputy governor in office. Thank you. Allow me to address one issue. Are there Gen Z in the stadium now? Yes. Are you there? Yes. Gen Z, are you there? Yes. I want to thank you guys because you have made us wake up from our slumber. Yes. As leaders, we have heard you, but I want to caution you. Anybody who will be going to the street tomorrow, please don't destroy properties, don't burn our roads. Because people they have put a lot of effort into getting what they have, especially the public outside there. Yes, for the leaders, they would have stolen from you people, but for sure, you have woken up the country from where it was. We are determined to make sure we have gotten the country moving forward. God willing, we will get a solution. Kwa hivyo tafadhali nawaomba Gen Z kesho kama mko katika maandamano around the country, msiharibu mali, wacha kuchoma barabara kwa sababu ni pesa zenu. Zile mnalia kwa sababu ukweli mmesema kwamba the future ni nani atalipa yale madeni ambayo sisi tumechukua. Kwa hivyo nawaomba tafadhali nyote mfanye kwa amani. Mwisho, mimi niko na fulani yangu Obebo. Sina mengi. Mimi nimefurahia tu kwamba sasa nitakuachia ofisi. I'm looking forward kwamba mahali umetoka katika board, wale waungwana wa Public Service Board, ile kazi amewacha, nitampa tena hiyo kazi ahakikishe kwamba imefanyika vizuri na tafadhali, kwa sababu ameondoka, sitarajii niambiwe kwamba kesho umeomba hongo. Tafadhali wafanyakazi wa kaunti, sasa niko na msaidizi wangu, nataka niwaombe yote mshirikiane pamoja na yeye. You will always get instruction from my end. I expect total cooperation. Naona directors hapa, naona mawaziri hapa, naona the chief officers. Hii maneno inakuwa namna hiyo. Ukikosa unafanya nini? Mnajua kwamba kuna chief officers wako nyumbani, na sita kuhakikisha kwamba watu wameenda nyumbani. Kama umetosheka, ukae kwako nyumbani. Kama unakuja kuiba, tafadhali kaa nyumbani, kwa sababu sisi tunalipo. Mimi nalipo mshahara karibu milioni 1. Mimi huyu mbona atakuwa nalipo karibu milioni shilingi 1,600. Tena tugeuke tuanze kuomba shilingi 1,100, 200. Na kama mimi, unajua mimi sasa bwana Obebo, mimi umenishinda karibu miaka 30. Najiuliza, kama umenishinda, mimi ndio ningekuwa na tamaa zaidi. Lakini nimeamua kwamba lazima tusaidie hawa waungwana ambao wamepigia kura. Naomba ndugu yangu, tuhakikishe kwamba kazi imefanyika kwa maafa. For the assembly, for the move of the motion, Mheshimiwa Sionya, na Spika, nataka nishukuru kwamba mlifanya kazi nzuri, mmefika mahali. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki. Nikubalieni nimalizie hapo. Kuna machief officer ambao waliajiliwa juzi. Mjue hii sherehe ni baada ya nilikuwa na nyingine. Kwa hivyo ujue kwamba sisi hatucheki na watu. Wale mawaziri tuliandika juzi, wale ma-engineers, tafadhali tufanye kazi tusaidia Wakenya. Ni nini? Tunakora montoni kwezi gasi mtolikolika. Nto wasa kuwe ichilesa kuwa saba ntawa takana hile. Itaite na kirebi ya mono, familia. Familia ndio Mheshimiwa Robert Mondambi Amono Sobocha oba Keroli ndio Mheshimiwa Obebo Obere Deputy Governor. Ndio Amono Estefano.